Good morning, Sunday morning, right, Jacob? We're going to Menards to buy some screws. Actually, only screws and some candy for this little dude. Yeah, but I need screws to screw in the electrical box to the house, and I need long wood screws to finish all the wood pieces under the hot tub. And today, hopefully, we will know if it runs or it doesn't run. I think it should work. There will be 3 of us, and we need to move it to the back. That will be the hardest part. I'll try to record something, but some people might not want to be recorded, but too bad. Maybe they will survive if 10 people will watch this video with them in that video. If not, then it's fine. I'll place the camera so they don't see that it's recording. We will see if we can, 3 of us can get it to the back. And yeah, I mean, all I got left is the electric, and it should be good to go. I mean, let's buy what we need to buy and get to it and put in those boxes. And then I'll need to connect all the wirings. I'll probably have watch some YouTube videos to do that. Okay, that's where we are. I got this box installed. I just need to go in the basement and push a little bit these wires up, because I need to get in here. And then I need to run these wires to this box from the bottom. Okay, so that's what I got, because this needed to go higher, and I'm by myself. I didn't know what to do, so I screwed in 2 2x4s right here so I could lift it up, and now I can fit this in, because yesterday I couldn't. So that's a good tip if you have a problem like that. Then we can screw in everything together, and well, almost there. Okay, all done here. That's ready to go to the back. Then when it's standing, once we take it to the back, I'll install the bottom, the cover that goes on it, and then I'll install all the sides when it's like already the way it's supposed to be standing over there. First, I gotta take care of electric. My wife just drove to her parents to get more wires, because they have long wires for me. Worker of the month. Hello, what's up? Yeah, Princess woke up at 11 a.m. We can't feed the wires through, so we're gonna try the vacuum method. So first I gotta tape this vacuum around here so it sucks only through this hole. There is a water inside this pipe, so I don't want to ruin my vacuum. We will use the tornado thing, or whatever it's called, first, like in between. Okay, I'm gonna use this thing so the water stays in this and will not go to the actual vacuum. Hopefully it will work like that. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see now. I think it works. Nope, no suction here. It looks like it's clogged, but my wife said when I unplug it and I plug it in, it sucks for a little while. So this is what we're gonna do.
je live gehad met die deur? Nou,
It's sucking. It's sucking.
albo już za duże jest, co? Czy idzie?
Przytkaj,
Chyba...
zrób trochę mniejszą dziurę, przytkaj
Idzie
palcem.
czy nie idzie?
To nie. We used a fishing line with a garbage bag. And let's see what we can see here. Nic nie widać.
Może już jest pod wodą? Albo piasku.
Pociągnij do góry trochę. O, okej. A poruszaj nim tak trochę na boki. O, jakiś kamyczek tam jest.
No właśnie. Tam właśnie o to chodzi.
Can't see anything. We got it through already the proper one. Now just four of these. Unfortunately, I will not be able to return them because my wife's father used 6 AWG. Yeah, AWG. He used these wires on everything, and they need to be 6 thicker. Tak?
Yes.
$230. Okay, so we're starting with this fish wire. Jak to się nazywa? Fish wire? I think it's a fish wire. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. And good luck. It's working. It's working. Kurde! Nawet po trawie damy radę, tylko ja muszę przestać nagrywać. Chyba jest. Oh shit, we got it. Whew. It's on. Okay, we're building a tunnel for the wires to go to the hot tub now. Something like that underground. Zaraz. Okay, so that's how it looks like. I put a shield on the cables from basically from here. Here is a PVC pipe. And it's coming here. Neutral, hot. Ground is white, but it's green at the other end because we didn't have enough green. That's what it looks like. If something's too beautiful to be true, then something's too beautiful to be true. This is a disaster. It's leaking here somewhere. It's leaking here. It's leaking there. It's leaking there. And it's leaking here too, because why not? So, a free hot tub became disaster. I mean, I wouldn't mind if she told me about it, because she knew about it, 100%. If she told me, I would just remove the jets, because it's leaking from jets. We just checked with my wife, it's literally the jets. And I would just remove them and reseal them. And now I have much more work. She just wanted to get it removed for free. I'm not plugging it in yet. I'm not connecting the wires because it's a disaster. I have to drain the water And to reseal, I need to watch a YouTube video, and then I'll show you how I do it, how to remove the jets and how to seal them. It's sad that people lie like that, because if I knew I would, you know, it was okay, I would still take it and do it. Now I have much more work. It's fine though. I'll get it done maybe next week, maybe in 2 weeks. I don't know how long it takes, but it shouldn't be that bad to remove a jet. And I don't know if it's on silicone or some kind of O-ring. Everywhere where jet goes, the jet's leaking, like 5 or 6. But I'm gonna do them all anyway, because now I fixed those. In 2 weeks, another one will start leaking. I just need to check how to reseal them properly, and I'll take care of it. So, take care, guys. See you in the next video.